Yeah, man, people, you don't know media facts. I want to talk trash. You see me? Yeah, man, we come to talk about the Alkaline and the Cartel when it comes to the most hated and most rated thing. You see me? And you don't know. Some of the time I wonder how people just eat Alkaline, so. You see me? But we don't know for morning, say, through Alkaline just forward in the game and just do him own thing and never forward under no system or get no big up from no gatekeeper or whatsoever. You see me? We don't know the Cartel thing. I mean, the system I come from a great group, alliance and every little thing, you see me? And no matter who him this, them still end up come big him up or, you see me, bout him same way. All of him diss them still come back. You see me? But Alkaline is a youth where keep to himself and you know in everybody circle or whatsoever. Alkaline there, is like him on a different planet by himself. You see me? Yeah. Different planet by himself. You see it? So it's like through Alkaline now, him now pick up or bow to none of the big man them, so-called artists them, you see me? Like Cartel or maybe Bounty and Beanie thing. You see me? Because I remember say Beanie found out and say yo, Alkaline say yo, him nah perform for Dirty Jamaica, so you don't know say a big fight there, so you see me? I tell you the whole of them, the whole industry a fight Alka. You see me? Till all man them ban Alka song from play, no DJ can't play it, and all till now in a 2025 yeah, them still a do it. And sometimes I wonder like if you're a person when a two they round or two in a drama or internet or whatsoever, show badness or whatsoever. You see me? It kind of funny say people just hate because the youth never go bow to nobody and the youth forward out. If you look in other video.
Is Cartel a mentor of yours?
No. I wouldn't say I have a favorite artist.
Yes.
No.
But how you feel about Cartel, Vybz Kartel?
How I feel about Vybz
he's
Kartel?
coming to mind every time I hear you talk.
I don't really feel anything about any men, you know, because that's kind of sound emotional. But I respect Vybz Kartel as an entertainer, just like I respect every other entertainer in the business. Yeah?
No special respect for Cartel?
Not necessarily. I respect everybody, man.
When you realize the
Just
youth
as
big up
equal.
every artist. The youth rate every artist. You see me? But the thing with the gatekeeper thing now, with Cartel thing now, if you forward out as an artist and you know say yo, you look up to it, Cartel or whatsoever. You see me? At this so the pressure start reach you now, you know. You see me? At this so the pressure start reach you now. Cause everybody start praying and say, yo, yeah, this the boss and yo, can I this the Gaza boss or whatsoever. But till this day, Alkaline does stick to himself. Alkaline a big move, great move. You understand? Because it no matter what, Alkaline sometimes youth, me have to wonder if youth a profit because everything when I'm saying I'm sang them, it come to the past. You see me? So my time when I hear people talk, because me I tell you now, Alkaline as a human where yo at first I see people just hate the youth. Like actually hate a human without a cause. Zine or how can you know rate a man? Although you listen music and you say yo him do good music and everything, but you just hate him because you feel like say him not tie allegiance to this man. Yeah. You see me? Cause you know say to me Cartel overrated because some of the things them when him do people been doing that. You see me? But it's like when him do it, it's special. You see me? Yeah. But we are gonna see how that go. You see me? Cause yeah, I'm doing thing in a local, but when him reach international now, we have to go see the difference. You see me? We don't see Alkaline. I'm mad up the place. Alkaline have a show in the UK in April. You don't know that I go because the first time him go to UK, place mash up till all the show have to cancel and because people might tear off the door and every little thing. So after so many years, I finally go back there now. You don't know. Think of the OVO arena or whatsoever. I think it's supposed to have a capacity of 12,000 people or so. It's a good look. You see me, and I'm sure. Then I think in July. I think around them time there, you might go in Canada. You see me? Yeah, man. And you don't know that go already. So Alkaline been doing it. You see me? Cause if you ever compare Cartel 10 years in the music business and Alkaline 10 years in the music business, Alkaline reach a more bigger success than Cartel. If you check them first 10 years, compare them first 10 years in the music, Alkaline far ahead. And that's facts if you check it. You see me? Yeah, but Alkaline a doing thing. He's not a person who in the media and every little thing, you see me? So People might say, yo, you're not engaged, and because you know when Kartel come from prison now, I buy up a liquor them and everything. People are say, yo, this artist them fear do a mingle with them fans and Ray and Tay. But we know that go because overseas the superstar them now mingle with them fans all the time. You see me? You see them on a stage and then you see one little video, but them not out there every day and whatsoever. You see me? And I saw the music work. You see me? Yeah. Because you can't too come on with your thing as an artist, cause that will drop your value. Because if you're out of half a tree every day, people are see, people are take picture of you. Them not gonna really meds your music like that. It's gonna be a social media sensation. People are post and every little thing. Cause we don't know Jamaica go already when it comes to music and support. You see me? But you don't know Jamaica alone can't carry you to a far place. Jamaica support, you need the world for do that. You see me? So you don't know Kartel come from prison and they must say, yo, no artist not drop no song and every little thing. And I say, yo, this are the thing where them always get wrong. Them always put him above other artists, make it look like say, yo, he my only artist. One night time them I say, yo, dancehall, you're prison and one bag of thing. And so my times I say this, them thing are madness. Cause Kartel alone can't carry dancehall to the world the real way. You need a group, you need an organization, you need a group of artists to dominate the world. You see me? Kartel alone can't do 10 countries at the same time. You see me? Can't do that. But at the other end, Alkaline and do him thing. Alkaline have him show. You see me? Him have him show keep worldwide. That's great for a young youth. You see me? I think him about 30, 31. That a great move them there. You see me? Cause him own a thing. Alkaline first show Jamaica at such a young age with that impact and the turnout. It's a good look, and if you carry and if you pre them other artists back then, all who hate him. If you look on that back then, you realize that at for them age, them never make the moves with Alkaline make. You see what I try to say? Alkaline maybe not talk or whatsoever. You know them forward, them diss him. Them say him not no girl, him say him not no pitney. Because through Kartel, I show him kids them and you know him girl and whatsoever and rare. Cause I saw the dancehall space in Jamaica. Everybody want everybody business. You see me? And when them do go into the business now, them start have them opinion, them start this, them start that. Suppose Alkaline now go show him pitney and him girl now. If them hate him, what you think them him go do to him girl and him pitney them? So the youth smart, the youth know what to do, them can't know him moves. Cause no matter what, them go spit them out like a bubble when it dry. You see me? No matter what you do, people always go have bad thing to say. So man say, yo, just keep to himself. You see me? And you look at thing Gaza man them say about Kartel move more like a superstar than any admit. Bro, superstar don't move like how Kartel move. None at all. Kartel in the street all the time, anybody can see man, madman on road can take a picture and snap with him. You see me? Alkaline for more move like a superstar. Superstar, you know see them every day out there in the street while on a drink this and a rare. Superstar stay in them shell. When them have one little function for father, award or in them workspace, you see them. Kartel not ready for that. You see me? Alkaline now, you're lucky when you see them Monday. You see me? You're lucky when you see them Monday. You see it. And to be honest, when you check it, Alkaline more militant. Like as a young lad or as a man, I saw you for move. You see me? I saw you for move. You live on the road every day and drink and junk and you see what I try to say? Yeah, that not gonna work. A two great artists them and a two different artists them. Cause people are talk about style and whatsoever and rare. Man copy style. Me never know say man trademark or copyright style. You see me? Cause what him did do, somebody that do it before. You see it? Alka do him to two different artists them. You see me? Two different artists. You know some people, Gaza people, mind and feelings or whatsoever. You see me? So, them not rate Alkaline because Alkaline never bow to Kartel and say, oh, I'm to you, man. Gaza boss, man, Ray. Seem like the other one, them. And most of them will forward out and say that. Them not really do nothing. You see me? Them not really do nothing. And some of the time, them say that because they want people to rate them and more accept them. So, them say, yo, Kartel this. No. Sometimes enough for whole out. And that's why enough of them now think not depend on the level, Alkaline level depend. Because them love baby up in the industry and people take care of them and people sorry for them and people push them and whatsoever. You see me? Alkaline do him own a thing. You see me? And assault in a life, so when you start doing own a thing and people can't control you, them try to bring you down. When them can't program you or for use you I just the norms of life. When people can't program you, you're not under them system, them can't tell you what to do, where to go, where to go, don't do this, don't do that. Then we hate you for that. Because you not listen to them. You see me? That is the thing. You see it? From Kartel come out of prison. Some of the time, when me hear some people put up some videos, say them a play Kartel, me I say wait, if you pass 13 years gone, you don't never did I play them song, yeah? But you don't know how the internet stay ready. When you play him song now, like when him come out now, you're gonna get like views and ratings and but you never did that week before. Because let me tell you, if Kartel never did a road today, a lot of them things that you wouldn't hear them talk, yeah. Nobody wouldn't have meds, nothing. I tell you that. But him they are road and now everybody want to jump on the internet sensation, the this, the that, the red, the tear. But when him in a prison now in there, nobody never care. You see me? But we don't know lifestyle already. Everybody want to get fame and in the mix and want like them care for get a forward. But you not gonna get that with Alkaline. Alkaline stay to himself. You see me? Man live in a suitcase, man they all about. Sometimes I wonder if man live out of space. Cause you will see regular artists in a car drive up and down or stop somewhere buy something. You can't see that with Alkaline. I wonder if man live on an island by himself. With him tuck shop and cook shop and he own KFC and this and that on the island. Everything and him alone live on it. Yeah. I tell you. But Alkaline is a great artist still. You see me? But I don't know what make them just hate. It show you how humans stay now. And what me learn from this, it show you say, if people can't control you, they might go try bring you down. You see me? They might try bring you down, mash up your thing or, you see me? Try bad mind you. Because them can't get for control you and tell you what to do. You see me? The only way them rate you, are if them can control you and tell you what to do. You see me? But after that, when them can't do that, them not go value you. They might use you and they might have you like, oh, him that. You not go, no respect now go dead so when. You see me? Yeah, man. You see me? And this is the thing. You're going to reach to a part. Cause remember, you know, Kartel soon reach him time where him have to just go on easy. Cause remember, you know, him sick, so him can't go do certain things like every other artist. You see me? But them just prep him up and thing. And remember, him never did that do a really big show. But yeah, man, I'm going to drop this in another video, but I'm going to talk about that. You see me? But you don't know. Alkaline thing, different. Alkaline thing, unique. You see me? In a dancehall, unique. And no matter what, them always have to call him name. You see me? Because Alkaline name is an impact. You see me? When you hear Alkaline name, people say, yo, who that Alka? You see me? You just always have a media play and every little thing. You see me? But them can't stop Alkaline, you know. That's the thing, you know. Them can't stop Alkaline. You see it? He's a great artist. And no matter how they hate him still a drop song where mash up a place. You see me? Yeah. Because remember, you know, some of them songs where Kartel a drop, you know, really hit the people in the real way. I know why. Because you see, when nobody not to see it different from when people are see you. Because seeing you every day, it kind of drift the people in from the actual music, the artistry of you. You see me? So when him in a prison, people never really see him. You see me? They never really see him. They only hear him music. So people more go say, alright, that's music me have to listen to. And you don't know Kartel well promoted. Like, well promoted. The DJ them and every little thing. You see me? But true, you don't know the biasness and true Alkaline really bow and everything. Some of them even afraid to play Alkaline. You see me? Some of them don't want to play Alkaline. If them ever play Alkaline too much. May I tell you, if them ever play Alkaline too much, if you check them playlist right now in a 2025, see, if you check that playlist there, all 10 Kartel, maybe 10, 20 Kartel play for the night. But Alkaline, them maybe play like all 3 or 4. We don't know after all the night. But it show you how the things stay. You see me? Because them don't want to get certain page or man for pre them or whatsoever. You see me? Because according to them say Alkaline this the program. And the program thing is that through Alkaline or Bower, if a man say them respect a man like every other artist. Like if them go out there in the world to represent dancehall, see, where them are going to put them as? Jamaican artists. Them not going to put no specials about Vybz Kartel artists or whatsoever. Them not say that. So if a man say rate every artist, nothing wrong with that. I know every artist will boss have to really look up to somebody or specific somebody. Them can respect everybody, them can listen to everybody. You see me? But when Alkaline forward, through them time, the Kartel did that dominate. And plus, when we have him on Gaza crew and every little thing. So through Alkaline fly through the gate now. And him never link up nobody or big up nobody or whatsoever. Because there was a system back then, I just say Gaza thing a rain. And we know that go already. So Alkaline never do that now because when him dip on the thing with Winford keep on ask the man say no special ratings for Kartel. So me man I say, yo, what you talk about? What you want me to say? You see me? So man I say, yo, I rate him like every other artist. What you want? I mean, that's the same thing. Because what you want me to do? There and just about, is what I try to say? As a human being, you listen, a lot of artists listen to different music. Why me have to rate this man special? You understand? And the worst thing is that, you know, when Alkaline found out, you know, and him do, if you check no other interview.
Boss, Kartel.
I'm inspired?
Yes.
I'm inspired
you
by
say
people.
he wasn't special to you.
I'm inspired by
That's
people.
what you said then.
Yeah, that's what I said.
Do you want to take that back or?
No,
or
I'm
what?
not take back nothing.
Have you revised that?
No.
You don't?
No, he's a good artist. What do you want me to say?
That you're borrowing a few things from it.
When me borrow?
Such as your.
Me my own clothes, me everything.
Your.
What you mean?
Okay.
What you talk to, man?
All right, sir.
I borrow no.
I'll give you that one.
What you talk to, man?
But he's courageous in terms of his bleaching and accepting that he bleaches. You've done your eyeball and you accept and willingly say you did, and you did it to get attention.
Yeah.
He went as far as saying.
Which other artist in the dancehall space was brave enough, otherwise apart from him, to do something?
I can't think of any.
So that's why I guess there's a comparison. So would you give that artist copyright to courage? I think that's what you're doing.
No, I'm not doing
And controversy.
No. I'm just asking a question. If you're inspired at all by the great Vybz Kartel, and you're saying no, not at all. He's just like a normal, everyday artist.
No, man. He's a great artist, man. Don't get me wrong, man.
Yeah.
I respect him just like I respect every other artist in dancehall. Because I don't want people to feel like, say, oh, that you tolerate nobody. No, man. I respect everybody in the dancehall space, you know, but people just want me to, I don't know. I don't know.
All right, so you're always posting.
Right? If you check no other interview, there is no. Me see man try imitate Vybz Kartel, and them never ask him the same question. Winford never asked him the same question. You see me? Them talk about if you look and watch a video with Alkaline and Winford, I tell you, Winford never asks other artists boy if no special ratings the Kartel. Trust me. Never ask. It show you. And them they want damage the youth. You see me? Because when the youth I keep him first, show Jamaica, and then him they get, you know, police want him for forward in and rare. You see me? Them are going to ask the youth, say, yo, if the show still going to keep and if it on and one bag of thing, a lot of interview, a lot of system, a lot of thing to bring down Alkaline. But what? Look on Alkaline today. The youth success gone further. I mean, I tell you, if enough artists, them wouldn't survive. I tell you, them wouldn't survive. You see it? Yeah, man. So, Alkaline, I don't know them. Yo, if you know about a human where really hated, call Alkaline name. Me I tell you, just call Alkaline name. You see me? Cause the amount of thing we Kartel do. You see me? Everybody will know what there. What him do. You see me? A lot of things will happen between him and his members, them and outside of the thing. You see me? And them still rate him, still about him, everything. You see me? So, as it goes still, you see me, are two good artists, them and thing, but we know the system stay already and the gatekeeping thing, and that now will stop, you see me? But Alkaline still go pull through, and none of them, nobody can stop Alkaline thing, you see me? Yeah, man. But that's just my intake on the situation, you see me? Yeah, man. Just like, share and subscribe, same speed. Yeah, man. Click the notification bell, click all, and then we do road, you see me? Yeah, man. That is it. You don't know me the facts.